Alrighty, so just gonna set up some packer shelf. I've got some 450mm high by half width shelves here. As you can see, I've already set up this side. I've just got to do the final shelf on the passenger side here. So plan is to go 2 times 450mm high and then 8 shelves in total. So I'll just show you what's involved to set all these up. First thing you want to do is actually grab the side. 2 450s here. As I said, beauty of these is they're labelled, so you've actually got left and you've actually got right as well, so you can't mess it up, so it's nice and easy. So what I want to do first, put a bottom plate on first. I'm going to grab one of the half width shelves, and what I like to do is, because I know I'm going to start at the bottom, I'm going to lay it over like this. Grab a couple of screws out of my screw bucket. Just put these in finger tight to start with. Grab a screwdriver, just give them a little nip up, then grab your other side. Make sure it's all facing the right way, so the side that you actually put your pack out in is going to be open and don't want to hit anything. Same again, just find it a bit easier to start from the bottom. So I'm just going to give them another nip up. They're still going to be fairly loose just so you've got a bit of room to wheel the next shelf in. But I want to set this up now. I know roughly where I need this next shelf to be placed, but easiest way to do it would just be sit this in, figure out where you're going to sit so it's actually going to be flush. Make sure you leave enough room on the shelf to actually be able to pull your vacuum out or whatever you've got clipped in, because you do have to lift it up and then slide it out.